Like seeing that oil pressure in the green now. Go out to the practice area real quick, do a few steep turns, get them stable and steady, ready to go for tomorrow. Alright, before takeoff checklist. Alright, so before takeoff checklist, parking brake's good, cabin's locked, doors locked, flight control's free and clear. So left, right, left, left to right, up, down.
Summit County traffic, 207 Mike Alpha, just took off one way.
Flight instruments are good.
Runway 04, staying in the
currently
pattern.
on both. Cow flaps are open. Mixture rich below 3,000. Auxiliary fuel pump. Watch for the rise. Good. Elevator rudder trim. Set for takeoff.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 2710 Sierra, turning left base, runway 4, Claremont.
Alright, 1800, mag check. $75 drop. 75 drop. So no difference, less than 150. Propeller cycle. So first we're going to watch for the manifold pressure to go up.
Summit County traffic, 207 Mike Alpha, left crossway.
Going to look for a drop in
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 10 Sierra, final, runway 4, staying in the pattern, Claremont.
And going to look for a drop or no oil pressure or oil coming out. Good. The carburetor heat is check for an RPM drop. Yep, and then good.
Claremont County traffic,
engine
257 Mike Alpha.
Engine amps are positive.
Left downwind for runway 0.
All the other instruments look good. Oil pressure's good. Head cylinder's good. Fuel's good. Amps positive. Oil pressure or oil temps starting to creep up a little bit.
Claremont County traffic,
Touching
Cherokee 10
gauge.
Sierra, going around, staying in the
Green.
pattern, Claremont.
Throttle down to idle. Much better. It doesn't die. Good, good, good. Back to 1,000. Friction lock to adjust as needed. Radio avionics are set. Got both the practice area and the bullet in here. Departure briefing, taking off runway 04 on the event of takeoff roll. We have an emergency. I'm going to pull the aisle, apply brakes, get us off the runway if possible. If I get up to if I get up off the ground, I start taking off. I'm going to find a field just north of here, or find a place just north of here to land. If I get up to pattern altitude and my gear's up, I'm going to leave my gear up, and then I'm going to turn into
Claremont County traffic,
the
Cherokee
normal
10
pattern
Sierra, left
right now
crosswind,
because
runway 4, Claremont.
right now it's wind's calm, so I'll just do normal pattern left and come back and land on 2-2. And then once I get done with that turn, I'll drop the gear. Parking brake release lineup. So trim tabs are set. Wings will keep 0. Rich below 3,000. Propeller full forward. Carb heat cold. Pivot heat. Strobe landing is needed. So we'll need the landing. We'll need the strobe. We're going to do nav light as well.
Claremont County traffic, 727 Mike Alpha, left base for runway 04.
Alright, ready for takeoff.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 10 Sierra, left downwind, runway 4, Claremont.
For this other plane. Heard him on base. Awfully long base. And another one on downwind.
Claremont County traffic, down 2SM Mike Alpha, final for runway 04. This is the touch and go.
Only get about an hour out in the practice area, but that's fine. I don't really shouldn't take any longer than that. Work my way across and down on my way out.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 10 Sierra, left base, runway 4, full stop, Claremont.
If I knew that he was going to take such a long base, I probably would have on, honestly.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 2710 Sierra, final runway 4, full stop, Claremont.
Okay, you might be, he's going to do a touch and go, that's right. He said he's touch and go. Your final.
Claremont County traffic, down 257 Mike Alpha, off of runway.
Nobody's on base final. Oh, there's somebody on final, but no one else. For him. Beautiful. Yeah, he's going off midfield. For him to call it. Check everything. Good, good, good. Rolled off.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 2710 Sierra, clear runway 4, taxiing back runway 4, Claremont.
Claremont County traffic, Cutlass 06 Bravo is taking off runway 4, I'll be departing to the east. Rolling. Airspeed's alive. 55. Rotate. Positive rate of climb. No usable runway left. Gear up. Gear up. Gear confirmed up. And our climb out is 87, I believe. 84, so let's get us on 84. At best rate of climb. Everything's looking good. Oil pressure's good. Heat's looking good. No stall horn, or no gear horn. I freaking like that. Pattern altitude. Go ahead and level off a little bit. Pull back 25, 25. Get that air flown over the engine. 2300. Claremont County traffic, Cutlass 06 Bravo departing to the east. We'll climb up to 3500 for the practice area.
Claremont County practice 5315 Echo is about 5 miles to the northeast of Lake Lorelei at 3,500, tracking southbound, steep turn. Claremont County practice.
The Claremont County practice, I don't know where Lake Lorelei is. I got him. He's way up north, so we're going to go south. Didn't get as warm as it has been. That's good. We're going to, like I said, we're going to track south. We're good. Up on 35. Pull us back to 20. Back to 22. November 17324, are you on this frequency? Just a little bit of trim. A bit of trim. Alright, so we should be sitting right around. So it sounds like that horn wants to come on right at 20. That's gonna suck. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to deal with it because I need to keep it right around 100, like 106. Yeah. I'll keep it right around there. I'll let them know. So it comes on right around 20 manifold. That's going to be shitty for tomorrow's test. That's going to be super shitty for tomorrow's test. Alright, let's get us down. 26 or 25.
Wind calm, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 17 Celsius, dew point 6, altimeter 3013.
Sporty's Claremont.
Man, that's really annoying. Alright, let's get it down. Let's do a steep turn or two and then we'll get headed back. All right, so our heading's gonna be this. I got my target in sight. All right, we're right on. And that's annoying. Right at 20, right where I need to be. All right, well, this is good. So this is under maneuvering. So now I just need to roll into it. At the same time, 2 big swipes. That roll coming. That nose down. Nope. I put a little bit too much trim in. Got a traffic warning, so I,
Stay track is 0619 or over the Square Lake, 4,500 tracking westbound. Stay track.
Alright, I'm gonna go back down now. I think it detected myself. And called out a traffic alert. The first one wasn't terrible, the second one was not too good because I got that traffic alert and I stopped focusing. So I need to do that again. That nose down. Cleveland County practice area, Cutlass 06 Bravo is at 3,500 feet just north of Bethel, doing steep turns. All right, get us back down 35. And that's so annoying. All right, 95. All right, so start to roll in. 2 big swipes. All right, I'm just going to keep it there. Get it stabilized. 3,500. Just going to leave that on. This is what I should be at, right here. Gets me right around 95. Target, let's do that smokestack out in the distance, so it's going to be about 15.
Climate County practice 5315 Echo is about 5 miles to the northeast of Williamsburg at 3,700 unusual attitudes. Climate County practice.
Alright. Down real quick. It looked good, but the speed is the thing I'm worried about. Alright, so 15. About two, that nose down, start to roll. 1, 2. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, roll out and immediately roll back. Alright, that's looking much better. Much better. Watch for that balloon. Oh, beautiful. Much better. Alright, let's track back to the airport. Jesus Christ. Track back to the airport. Da-da-da. Where's my nearest page? Nearest? Direct to? Enter. Alright. The direct is 319. Much better. As we track back, I will go ahead and we'll probably do one more steep turn. We'll use the Perina plant as a guide this time. Alright, so there we go, right up there. Alright, everything's looking good. And turn. One swipe, two swipes. Alright, that's feeling great. Locked on, baby. Oh yeah, that's how you know it's a good steep turn. Yeah, that's how you know it's a good steep turn right there. You hit your own wake turbulence. Alright, so we'll keep it right about there. Alright, let's get back to the airport.
Cleveland County practice area, Cutlass 06 Bravo is just to the east of Bethel. Track it back to the airport.
We're actually on the wrong side for landing, so we'll probably go over top, do a teardrop. I'm sorry. We'll go over top midfield, set up for a 45 for the downwind 04. Yeah, it feels good to hit that wake turbulence. That means I actually did something right. All right, descent, fuel valve both, cowl flaps. We're not going to descend quite yet. Engine temps still look good. Amps are good, oil pressure's good, everything's good.
Cleveland County practice area, Cutlass 9706 Bravo is over top of East Fork Lake. Tracking back to Claremont County, last call.
Go ahead and start our descent. So descent checklist. Cowl flaps on, or selectors both. Cowl flaps closed. We're going to go ahead and go full close since the engine is good. Power.
Any regional traffic, Corner 100, 5 nautical miles east of Homer. Going to be joining for the ILS 25. Any regional.
Landing lights are on. Good.
Regional traffic, Cessna 8295 losses, started to the south. The entering midfield to the left downwind to 25.
Go down to 23, fly over top midfield.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 2710 Sierra, taking runway 4 and departing to the north, Claremont.
Cleveland County traffic, Cutlass 9706 Bravo is at 2,500 feet, descending 2,300. Going to go over top midfield, set up for 45, downwind 04, 3 miles to the east.
Cleveland County traffic 5315 Echo is left crosswind for runway 4, Claremont.
Be careful, my dude. Somebody's taking off that way. That was not smart, my dude. At 16.
Comma County traffic 5315 Echo is left downwind for runway 4.
Got him in sight.
Clear County traffic, Colors 9706 Bravo, midfield crosswind. I got the downwind traffic inside, going to set for field drop 04.
And push this power back in. Right about where we're at for now.
Claremont County traffic, Cherokee 2710 Sierra, turning west towards Lunkin, departing the area. Claremont, see you.
See you.
My glasses up, but off.
Mount Comfort traffic, Hawker 825, Claremont County traffic 5315 Echo is turning left base for runway 4, simulated engine failure. Come out departure, we'll see you. Claremont County traffic 5315 Echo, short final for 4, come up.
Descend down the pattern.
Claremont County traffic 5315 Echo on the go for 4, come up.
Mike Echo, you're staying in the pattern, correct?
I assume Mike Echo is staying in the pattern.
Claremont County traffic, 9706 Bravo is 3 miles to the northwest. Set up for the 45 for the downwind. I'm on the looking for that departing traffic.
Claremont County traffic 5315 Echo is left crosswind turning left downwind for runway 4, come on.
Got him in sight.
Claremont County traffic, color 9706 Bravo is on the 45 for downwind 04. Got the downwind traffic in sight.
Sun is down. I'm going to go ahead and put this away.
Sporty's Claremont County Airport.
Automated weather observation 2251 Zulu. Weather, wind, calm, visibility 10, clear, below 12,000, temperature 16 Celsius, dew point 6, altimeter 3013.
Cleveland County traffic, Cutler 06 Bravo is turning downwind runway 4, downwind runway 4.
Get that power out, get us down to pattern altitude.
Cleveland County traffic, 5315 Echo, left base for 4, come on.
Indy Regional traffic, Cessna 4751 Golf, crossing overhead 3,000 feet to the west of the field, regional.
Cleveland County traffic, 5315 Echo is turning final for 4, come on.
2. First notch of flaps. Going down. Got that sight. For him to be out. One green, one seen. Alright, one green, one seen. Good. Got airspeed up.
Cleveland County traffic, Color 06 Bravos, turn in base runway 4.
Second notch of flaps. Check everything. Top flaps closed. Base green and seen. That airspeed down. Power in.
Cleveland County traffic, Cutler 06 Bravos, turn to final runway 4.
Last notch of flaps. Kind of high, pull that power out, get that nose down, give it around 65. Final green and seen. That nose down, about 65.
Come on, County traffic, 5315 Echoes on the go for 4 and turning left crosswind for 4, come on.
Got the on the go traffic. Power in, nose down. Final, short final, green and seen. All good. 900 over the midfield. Work that power out, nose up, power out, nose up, power out, nose up. Woo!
Come on, County traffic, 5315 Echo, left downwind, runway 4, come on.
Alright, there's no touch and goes. I want to do one more before I head out. Alright. Rolled clear. First things first, after landing, first things back to 1,000. Cool. Alright, so strobe lights, or landing lights off, strobe lights off. We'll keep our nav lights on, turn our taxi lights on. Carb heat off. Prop control full forward, lean for taxi. Gear down, confirm flaps, confirmed, firm flaps up. Heading, set trim, Good, cow flaps open.
Come on, County traffic, 5315 Echoes, turning left base for 4.
So the good thing is, it's not honking at me at 25 on takeoff anymore. The bad thing is it's honking at me at round 20, which is
Come on,
like
County traffic, 5315 Echoes, turning final for 4, come on.
Wasn't too bad on the short. I kept the nose up, but I wasn't going for a short field or a soft field. I kept the nose up, but I wasn't going for a soft. I was going for a short, and I floated a little bit long of the short. I'll have to review the photo. Alright, before takeoff, so we're going to put landing lights on, strobes on, nav lights, keep them on. Oh, this looks good. It's probably my last landing because it doesn't look like any of these lights work, which is shitty. Oh.
Come on, County traffic, 5315 Echoes on the go, runway 4, come on.
Alright, he's on the go. Alright, so let's go full rich. Line up, trim, so good. Wing flaps set. Mixture control rich. Prop pull forward. Cold carb heat. Strobe landings on. Transponder set to alt. Nobody on base. Nobody on final. Nobody getting ready to turn.
Claremont County traffic, Cutlass 06 Bravo, taking off runway 04, stay in the pattern.
Come on, County traffic, 5315 Echoes, turning left crosswind, runway 4, come on.
Alright. Gauges look good. Airspeed's alive.
County traffic, 5315 Echo, left downwind, runway 4, come on.
Rotate. No more usable runway. Gear up. Gear light up. Gear confirmed up. Look, we have a little bit of wind coming off the side of us right now.
Claremont County traffic, Cutlass 06 Bravo, turn crosswind for 04.
Come on, County traffic, 5315 Echo, left base, runway 4, come on.
Coming up on 18. Level off. Pull the power out.
County traffic 5315 Echo, left base, turning final for 4, come on.
Got the final traffic in sight. Alright, let's just do it. Have a little bit of noise, sorry guys.
Clear County traffic, color 06 Bravo is downwind still.
A little high, get us down. Pull that power out a little bit. Got the traffic in sight. Alright, beam the numbers, Gear down, first notch of flaps. Prop full forward, green, seen.
Clear County traffic, color 06 Bravo, turning base runway 04.
Base, green,
County traffic 5315 Echo, full length
second notch
for
of
4,
flaps.
come on.
Oh, cow flaps closed, card Pete full. Work my way across, and everything's good. 75, keep that rolling.
And for preliminary traffic, Cessna 6167 Lima is about 6 miles northwest. We'll be entering a left base for runway 4. Full stop. We'll get the traffic in the pattern in sight.
Clear County traffic, Cutlass 06 Bravo is final, runway 04.
County traffic 5315 Echo is rolling clear of 4, come on.
Pull that power out, keep that nose down. Around 65. Still a little high. Rolling in, put power back in, keep that nose down. Last notch flaps, double check, green scene final. .900 over, obstacle. Bingo, nailed it. Maximum braking simulation. Hell yeah. Woo! I'm talking about, nice.
And for preliminary traffic, Cessna 6167 Lima is entering a left base for runway 4. It's a full stop landing.
Clear County traffic, Cutlass 9706 Bravo is clear, runway 4.
06 Bravo 5315 Echo, we'll wait for you.
Copy, I'll get us out there, just check this real quick. Cutlass 06 Bravo is rolling.
And for preliminary traffic, it's Cessna 6167 Lima is turning a mile final for runway 4, Claremont County, full stop.
Shutdown checklist. Brakes hold. 1000. Avionics power switch is off, along with electrical equipment.